Hi, and welcome to this 10-minute toned arm workout. Grab a light set of hand weights. I'll be using 3 pounds today. We have a lot of reps, so even that's a little bit heavy. Always start with lighter weights, maybe even just grab some water bottles for your first time doing this workout. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Just a quick warm up, some big arm circles. We'll get some blood flowing. This is also a great workout to add on to any other. Again, just about 10 minutes. Reverse those big arm circles. Tummy's in, little bend in those knees. 2 more to the front, and 1 more time, as big as you can to the back. We have 3 different blocks, and each block is gonna have a few different moves. Side bend here, and then we're gonna put all those moves together. So that's what you can look forward to. Both arms out to the side, round the back, pull the arms forward, and then stretch out that chest. Again, round it forward, and open 1 more time, round it forward, and open. Drop those hands, give me some nice wrist circles here. And reverse. And that's it. Go ahead and grab our weights for our first set. Starting with a hammer hold, so palms are facing in. Roll your shoulders down and back. Again, feet are underneath those hips. Little bend in the knees, and lift it straight up and straight down. You've got a little micro bend in those elbows. And we're just coming shoulder height. A few more here. We're gonna try to do about 10 of each move. So give me 3. And 2, hold the last ones up, pull that left arm back and center while we're holding that right arm isometrically. You feel that in the shoulder. Keep the elbow high and pull it back. For 5, 4, 3, last one, switch it. Other arm. You can always drop that left arm if you need to. Always shake it out, take a break, and then hop back in. There's no shame in dropping those weights. A few more here. Elbow nice and high, pull it back. For 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna put those together alternating. So we're gonna drop, lift to shoulder height, pull the left back, pull the right back. Again, re-drop and left. Pull it back, pull it back. Drop and left. Drop and left. You can also do this with no weights at all. And aren't you glad you grabbed the light ones? Stay with me. Pull it back, drop and lift. Just a few more here. Make sure you're breathing and keeping your core tight. Back and back. 1 more. Here we go. Drop and lift. Pull it back. Pull it back and slowly lower down. Flip those palms to the front. Easy bicep curls here. Keep the elbows down and close to your sides. Full range of motion. This should feel a little bit easier, so you can always add your own resistance by really tensing and squeezing that muscle. 4 more here. 3. Last 2. Last 1. Hold it halfway down, elbows in. We're gonna swoop to the side here and back to center. This is great for that rotator cuff. Small movement. Keep the elbows in, forearms are parallel to the floor. You got it. Halfway there. Last 3. 2. Hold them to the sides. We're going to take those arms out and in. Out and in. Hello, shoulders. So we're just straightening the arms, bending the elbows back to that waist. Keep the elbows, again, tucked in here, and then the shoulders down and back. Don't let the shoulders creep up. Out and in for 3, 2, last one. Hold them up to the side, and here we go. We flip and flip. So palms down, palms up, palms down, palms up. Try rotating, not just from the wrist or even the elbows, but all the way from the shoulders too. I know, for 5, 4, I'm right here with you. 3, 2, and last one, lower down. Guess what? We're gonna put all 4 of those together. So we've got a cognitive workout too. Starting with that bicep curl, we're just coming halfway up. Bicep curl, out, extend all the way out, flip, back up, reverse it, bring it in to the front and lower. That was 1. Side, flip, elbow in and front, down and left. Nice job. Don't overthink this one. Down and left. To the side, extend, flip, down and left. Are you breathing? Make sure we're not holding our breath. Our muscles need that oxygen. It helps. In, back to the front, down and left. To the side, extend, flip, and up. And down, squeeze. So good, few more. Front and lower, 2 more. We've got this. Out and in, front and lower. Last one. Front and lower. Roll those shoulders. Nice job. Working the back of the arm and the tricep next. You stay facing me. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see. A little bend in those knees. Slight hinge forward. Palms are up and arms are straight. All we're going to do is lift those arms to the back like we're trying to high five the ceiling and down. Really important in here to keep your neck in line with your spine and the elbows straight. Think about reaching your arms really long behind you. That helps you keep the elbows straight. Focusing the work on the back of the arm and the tricep. For 3, 2, hold this last one up. We're going to squeeze the arms together so they're held high. And then maybe you can even knock those weights together behind your back. If you can't, that's okay. Squeeze and squeeze. Keep them high for 3, 2, last one. Hold it there. Little bend, little straight. Little bend, little straight. So the elbows, we're still trying to hold them high. That full arm, shoulders are pressed down and back. Little bend, little straight. Little bend, little straight. 4, 3, 2, last one. Shake it out. Guess what? We put all that together. Okay, so here we go. 1 lift straight up, 1 together, and then 1 bend, 1 straight. Little lift together, bend and straight. Lift together, bend and straight. Little lower, lift together, bend and straight. Wow, I know you're feeling it. Bend and straight. Lift together. Bend and straight. Drop the weights if you need to. Shoulders down. Release the tension there. We don't want any tension in those shoulders. Bend and straight. Can you go a little bit higher? Bend and straight. Lift together. Bend and straight. 2 more. Lift together. Bend and straight. Lift together. Bend and straight. Again, shake that out. Nice job. I'm proud of you for that one. All right, you guys, last section. Here we go. Palms facing down, lifting those weights straight up. We go out to the side and lower down. It should feel a little easier after that last one. We've got a bigger range of motion here. Out. Stretch them long front to the sides and down. Again, think about really reaching with those arms. Just have a little bit of a bend in the elbow. Left side, slowly lower. Control that descent. Excellent. 3 and 2. Last one here. Palms stay facing in, elbows to the side, and let's do an upright row. Bringing those weights all the way up towards the chin, elbows going wide out to the side. You can always put the weights together if you like to. Give me 4, 3, 2, then we're going to reverse it. So weights go out to the side, right into the front, and lower down. Side, front, lower down. How's your posture? Is your tummy in? Are your knees slightly bent? Are you standing up nice and tall? No sway in your back, so even think about maybe a little pelvic tuck, if that helps. Engaging your core is going to protect that lower back. 2 more here. Side, front, and lower. Side, front, and lower. All right, last set, we put all those together. Starting with the front. We go side, lower, 1 upright row, and then we reverse it. Side, front, and lower. Here we go. Front, side, and lower, upright row, side, front, and lower. Keep going like this. Upright row. Front, side, and lower. And side, front, and lower. And front, side. Let's just add a row in between every one to make it easy. Good. Few more here, guys. And then we're going to stretch it out. Really important to stretch those muscles after we work them to reduce soreness and to help with our flexibility and range of motion. Back to the side, front, and lower. Last time, front, side, and lower. Put those weights safely down. Roll those shoulders back. Shaking it out if you need to, whatever feels good. And then take that right arm out to the side and then hug it in nice and close. Either grabbing above or below that elbow joint and then push that shoulder down. Maybe even a little quick neck stretch while we're here. And release it down, left arm out. Open up that chest. Hug it in nice and close. Inhale. Exhale, drop the shoulder. And if it feels good to you, a side neck stretch. Release it down. Right arm comes back up. Little tricep stretch. Bend it, walking those fingers down the back, using our other arm to assist. Elbows pointed up towards the ceiling. Really open up that shoulder. Hold it here. Release that left arm down, back, and around. Tuck it behind that back. So it's like we're trying to touch our fingertips together. You're going to feel it in the shoulder on the left side and the tricep on the right side. Hold it here. Inhale. Exhale, release both down. Nice job. Left arm goes up, reach it nice and high. Bend the elbow, pointed towards the ceiling. Right arm comes up and around to help. Walk those fingers even further down that back. And let's release right arm, down, back, and around. Try to bring those fingertips together. Inhale here. Exhale, release both down. Bring those both hands towards me. Flex at the wrist, straighten those elbows, and very gently press those fingers back. Let's just stretch that wrist and for those biceps as well. And switch sides. Very gently push back. That should feel good. Both to the front again. Flex the wrist, take it out to the side, open up that chest, flip the palms to the back, thumbs down. Inhale. Exhale, bring the arms all the way back behind us. Lace those fingertips together. Open up that chest. Drop the shoulders down. Inhale. Exhale, release them down by our sides. One big inhale, arms come up. And exhale, down. Nice work. Thanks for working out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this quick 10-arm toning workout. Feel free to like it, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.